Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Please open your course book, Unit 9, Troubleshooting, page 70. Our lesson today is Hotline Part 1. There will be Part 2 next time, inshallah. So, page 70, please. Before we start our lesson, here are the key words of the lesson. The first word is automated. It means to use machines and computers instead of people. I mean, when you call sometimes the bank. When you call the bank, the machine answers you, not a person. The first time you listen to a machine talking, not to a person talking to you. So this is called automated. The second word is wireless. Wireless means without using wires. The word or the suffix less gives the opposite of the meaning. Wire is the cable that we know. Wireless means without a wire or without a cable. Okay, router or router, both are correct. This is the router. It's a device that sends data to the parts of a computer network. We use it in the internet. The next word is hotline. It's a special phone line people can use to get information. Each bank, for example, or each company has a number that you can call if you have a complaint, if you want to ask about certain information. This is what we call hotline. Hotline. Even the Ministry of Education has its hotline number. You can call the number if you have a complaint or anything to talk about. The last word is modem. This is the modem as well. We use it in the internet. It's a device used to connect computers. It connects computers to each other. Okay, now these are the objectives of our lesson. Yes, number one, after listening to the audio, you should extract specific information to complete the gaps correctly. There are certain sentences. Each sentence has gaps. You need to fill in these gaps. You need to get the words from the audio and put them in the gaps, okay? Number two, after listening to the audio, it's another audio, you should extract specific information and use it to cross out or delete the wrong choices. The sentence has maybe two choices. One of them is correct and the other one is wrong. You need to cross out or delete the wrong choices. Okay? Now, this is the lesson hotline. Now, listen to the automated message on the phone. The customer in this audio wants to talk to the service technician about a computer problem. He has a problem. Now, which three keys does the customer press? The customer pressed on 3 digits, 3 numbers. What are these numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, like this, okay? So please listen and find out the 3 digits or numbers he pressed on.
Unit 9, recording 48.
Thank you for calling New Tech. For the sales department, press 1. For the service department, press 2. This is the service department. For computers, press 3. For printers, press 4. This is the computer unit. To hear information about our services, press 5. To speak to a service technician, press 6.
That's it. Thank you so much, my students. Now, have you got the answers? Okay, thank you so much. Now please check your answers. These are the numbers that he pressed on. He pressed on digit or number 2, 3, and 6. Okay, now please let's move on to the next exercise. Exercise number 3. Now, in this exercise, the customer gets through to the service technician. Now he is in contact with the technician, okay? Now, what does the technician say? Complete the text below. Now, this is the text. You need to listen to the audio, then complete the gaps here. Hello, you've space here, there's a gap. There is a gap here. The computer service hotline. This is Jan gap. I am the technician. How, space, or gap, I, you. So you have here 4 gaps. Please listen and try to fill in these gaps.
Unit 9. Recording 49. Hello, you've reached the computer service hotline. This is Jan speaking. I'm the technician. How can I help you?
Okay, listen again.
Unit 9. Recording 49. Hello, you've reached the computer service hotline. This is Jan speaking. I'm the technician. How can I help you?
Okay, have you got the answers, guys? Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now please check your answers. Hello, you've reached the computer service hotline. This is Jan speaking. I am the technician. How can I help you? It's a very short dialogue. Okay, now please let's move on to the last exercise of this lesson, exercise number 3. Now look, what is this, guys? These are the parts of the computer. These are the parts of a computer network. Here is the computer, here is the power outlet, electricity here. This is the modem, and this is the router. Now listen to this phone call to a service hotline. What mistakes did the customer make when he set up his wireless router? Delete the wrong words or cross them out. Please listen and find out. Here you have 2 sentences, as you see. Please, you can pause the video anytime. If you want to check, if you want to double check, you can pause the video anytime, my friends, okay, my students. Okay, number 1, the router is or isn't connected to the power outlet or the computer or modem. Number 2, the customer has or hasn't connected the computer to the power outlet, router, or modem. Please listen and check. Okay.
Unit 9. Recording 50.
Hello, is that the IT hotline?
Yes, it is. I'm the technician. My name's Sophia. How can I help you?
I've got a problem with my wireless router. It doesn't work.
Okay, I'll talk you through it. Are you sitting at the computer now?
Yes, I am.
Okay, look at the back. Is the router connected to the power outlet?
Yes, it is.
Okay, and is the router connected to the modem? That's the green cable.
Ah, no, it isn't.
So, connect the router to the modem now. Have you done that?
Yes, I have. I've connected it.
Okay, now, have you connected your computer to the router? That's the blue cable.
No, I haven't.
Okay, do it now. Have you done that?
Yes, I have.
Okay, now let's look at the lights. There should be 3 lights and the one...
Okay, guys.
Unit 9.
Have you got the answers? Okay, thank you so much. Now, after listening and answering the exercise, please check your answers now. Okay. So, the first one, the router is not connected to the power, or it's not connected to the modem. The router is not connected to the modem, not to the power outlet. The second one, the customer hasn't connected the computer to the router. So these are the two mistakes that he did to his network. Okay, that's all for today. Before we finish this video, please don't forget to go to Teams application and answer the quiz there. Thank you so much, my students. See you next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.